Hello friends, it has been a while since I've done a release and review video. Many reasons, life, a lot of construction going on, noise, etc. I've received a lot of requests to do release and review videos, trying to get caught up. That's also been part of it, 'cause it's like, oh, do I start with the newest or do I, go back and do the other ones? Anyway. Honeybees, June 2021 release, Summer Stems. I will have links. Disclaimer, I am on the Honeybee design team, have been for years. All this was sent to me. I did not purchase it. I don't have to do these videos. Release and reviews and hauls, those sorts of things, I do because I enjoy doing them. And you guys request them. I don't do them for any other reason. If companies were requesting them, I wouldn't do them. I'm kind of stubborn like that. So there's the disclaimer. I've kind of organized this for once. Usually I'm really all over the place, but somewhat organized this time. So let's just dive right into it. Yeah. So first off, we've kind of got this little collection here. So I'll kind of try and make some space. So I kind of put these all together. So we have, first off, this really fun one. This is the Helping Hands wafer die set. Really cute. I know Jennifer McGuire already did a video with a whole bunch of examples using this. So also some items might be sold out already, as per usual. But things will get restocked like they always do. And it's fun. She actually requested that Melissa at Honeybee design a set like this, so it's kind of cool. So you have your hand, there's a fun little peace sign, a heart, and then even little fingernails. So depending on how you want to orient the hand, this way on a card or this way, etc. And then you can make it hold things, etc. Again, if you haven't seen Jennifer's video, she has so many examples and just really creative. So there's the hand, and then we've got paint and palette wafer dies. So this kind of goes with this because you could have the hand holding this little palette, but it also is just completely standalone. So your little palette, you have a couple little brush options, a blob of paint, little paint blobs for the palette, etc. The tube, really cute. So this is the standalone one, but there's also this. So this is the Let's Get Crafty stamp set. Tons. This stamp set is huge. So you've got, again, paint palette, thread and pens and markers and all the things. There's coordinating wafer die set that will die cut all of the things as well. Super cute. So that will also kind of work interchangeably with this, as will these other sets. So there's this one that goes with the Helping Hands wafer dies. This is the High Five stamp set. So you've got thanks for lending a hand, you rock, you can count on me, high five, And I like it's got this little heart that will also coordinate, I think, with this wafer die, but the set does have its own wafer die set. So you can die cut the image as well as all the sentiments, which I love with Honeybee. Got that one. And then we have two more word sets. If you haven't watched previous videos I've done talking about Honeybee stuff, this is one of their mainstays. They've done so many awesome, they usually have a large word and then tons of buildable sentiments. So you can just create pretty much anything with a few of their sets. So the first one is the crafty one. Goes with this. So you got your big crafty word, and then you've got all kinds of sentiments to build all kinds of things. So you can put crafty and stick together. Pretty sure it's all that glue. Love it. There is a standalone wafer die set that's the word, the outline, and then the second outline with the piercing detail. These you can use on their own, but you can also use the outline. We'll die cut the word, their size the same. So you could die cut it with that, and you could also use the secondary. So it's all interchangeable. And then we've got the color set. So the word, bunch of different sentiments. Love it. Same idea with the wafer die set. You got the word, the outline, and then the second outline with the piercing detail, so you can stack them all together and all fabulous. Love. That was that set. And then there was this one. This is the Miss You Big Time set. The set is huge. Huge. Like, look at my hand. I don't have very big hands, but like great big sentiments. Those are kind of like, they can just take center stage, you know? So we've got all these big scripty main sentiments. And then again, a bunch of buildable little add-ons like love you so much, etc. Love it. There's a coordinating wafer die set that will cut out the outline of all these scripty sentiments so you can stamp them, die cut them, etc. Again, fabulous. So I got that one. And then we have a new add-on. There have been like the house builder die sets from Honeybee and like all the add-ons. There's so many of them. So you can do just everything. This is a new one. Instead of this being for the house one, although you totally can, this is the She Shed barn add-on. So the barn original set, you would use that with this. So you can build the cutest little she shed. It's adorable. So you've got like fancy little curtains and a window. She could, so she did. You got some little sentiments, like chandelier, you know, all the things. There is coordinating wafer dies for everything, as well as like a couple of freestanding wafer dies, like to do window frames and stuff. So you can build a fancy little sheet. Like, it's just so cute. It's so cute. So we've got that one. And then we have some really cute little animal sets. So we've got the Sandy and Sis. You got your cute little bears and all these little like add-ons, you know, so you can dress them up, give them little hats, little gardening things. There's a cute little gnome. Love the little wheelbarrow, like all these things. And then with this one, which Honeybee has done a lot with, the coordinating wafer dies, it'll die cut, you know, around the perimeter, but it also will die cut just around their little arms. So then you can tuck in, like they can be holding flowers or they can be holding tools, you know, etc. Like just cute. Super, super cute. And then even with the way the hat is, so that you can make it look, you know, properly, like it's sitting on the bear. Love it. It's just adorable. So we got that one. And then we have a cat set and a dog set. We have Smitten Kittens and Puppy Dog Tails. Just all these cute little kitty cats. You've got their little like climbing tree and a box. I should have asked, should have added, it's funny, but it's totally side note. Instead of a box, like, well, a box, but I would like, you know, a stamp of an IKEA bag. That's what our cat likes. She's just weird. She's not big into boxes, you know, whereas almost all normal cats, you set out a box, the cat's going to be in it. She's not like that. But our IKEA bags that we use for like groceries and stuff, she gets in those and she hides under them if you put the bag upside down. Because, you know, they're made out of that tarp material, so they kind of stay up. She'll get under it and then she attacks people that walk by because she darts out and like, you know. So anyhow, you've got all these cute little images. Just adorbs. Coordinating wafer dies. I love that it will cut out the little window there. So you can have a little cat underneath, you know, peeking out and that sort of a thing. So there's that one. And then there is the Puppy Dog Tails sets. You got all these cute little puppy dogs. I just love the corgi one. Love them all. They're all super cute. So I'm coordinating wafer dies with these guys as well. So got those. And then there is, this is just a sad one, but yeah, the Rainbow Bridge set. So really, really nice sentiments, you know, that you can send to people. It legit, I'm just like, oh, I hate making sympathy cards, and especially pet sympathy cards, all sympathy cards, but it is nice to have these options. So you've got sentiments, and then there are coordinating wafer dies again to die cut them. So you can use that, and because like Rainbow Bridge, you can use it with like rainbow wafer dies and stuff too, not necessarily, but you could also like personalize it if you wanted. So we got those. And then the floral sets. There are just beautiful, beautiful floral sets. As always, let's go with this one first. This is the Wildflowers set. I just, oh. And you guys know me. I love floral sets, but I also really like this is just beautiful. So you have these gorgeous florals. Absolutely love it. There's some butterflies and a couple of really pretty bees included in this one. I love it. There's coordinating wafer dies for all these as well. So you got that big set. And then there is this fabulous one. This one is by Emily Midget, designed this for honeybees. She's done so many amazing florals. I love her just style, and they're big. So I love it. So this is the framed anemones set. And the main image, I had meant to get out an A2 card, but is, yeah, it's 4 1/4. So this has got to be, yeah, by 5 1/2. So just the stamp itself from like border to border, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So that will do an entire like A2 card front. It's just gorgeous. And then you've got all these sentiments that you can like stick in. And there is a little coordinating wafer die set for the sentiments. Of course, I just want to stamp this, heat emboss it, watercolor it. It's just beautiful. I don't know. And I love that it's A2 sized, because it's like your entire card layout is done. So got that one. And then there's this little sentiment set. This is the My Favorite Flower sentiment set. I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this because I love florals. So sentiments that go with it, perfect. So you got like, take time to stop and smell the flowers. You're my favorite flower. You make my heart blossom. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you, etc. Love. Coordinating wafer dies for all the sentiments. And then we've got this super cute. This is the Bicycle Builder wafer die set. So it just builds this nice size like front portion of a bicycle. You got your little basket, everything. Super cute. This goes with the Riding By stamp set. So you can put all these things, like you have a stamp that coordinates with this like basket, and then you can have like the flower swag can be coming out the basket, etc. And then you have all these fun little curved sentiments. You're so sweet, thanks so much. There's like gifts you could use, scripty sentiments, balloons, all the things. Coordinating wafer dies for everything, especially like the sentiments. I love like having the coordinating wafer dies for the curved sentiments, so I don't have to fiddle trying to figure. I would never be, unless I fussy cut, which you guys know I hate doing. So I've got stamp to go with it. And then on the whole floral kick, this is the this is adorable. This is the Market Cart Builder die set. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Love it. I think it is so adorable. So cute. It goes, you know, the floral sentiments, all the things. So cute. And then there is a coordinating stencil that will work with this cart. So you can use it to color the pieces, like die cut them and color them. And then like for the little awnings, the awning will die cut and then emboss the lines. And then you can use the stencil to give it the variegated colors. So it'll just line up and you can alternate the colors like quick and easy. And same with that one, all of it. Love. I think it's the cutest little thing. I don't know, there's something about, you know, this little market cart and I'm like, ah. And then of course, Lovely Layers Coneflower. I am obsessed with the Lovely Layers sets that Honeybee's been doing. I've done videos, like the hydrangea one was the last one I did. I love it. And this one, super easy. You literally just die cut them and they just stack together and they're done. Like, they're brilliant. And I love coneflowers. I love them. So I'm really excited to use this. It's so pretty. And I love the size of it too. Love it. So we've got that. And then last, but certainly not least, in this release, pattern paper and bling. Love. I'm really bad. I hoard Honeybee's pattern paper because it's beautiful. I show this in like I say this in every release or review video I do. And then I really do. I hoard it. This is the Summer Stems paper and it's, I want wallpaper like this. I love it. It's beautiful. Like Honeybee's pattern papers are just, I love them. They're so pretty. So pretty. Like just the colors and the patterns and everything. Again, I'm gonna have to get more packs so that I have one to hoard and never use, and then one I'll cut into, you know. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. There's coordinating bling that matches, you know, and coordinates the paper. My only thing with the bling, I need to email Melissa. I would love to have multiple sizes. I love the colors and that it's all self-adhesive, so you just peel and stick. But I would love to have multiple sizes. So I would like a medium size and a large size and this size, and maybe even like a little tiny one. 3 I'd be happy with, 4 would be great. So that's just my... It's beautiful though, you know? They're just... Ugh. So, and before, nearly forgot. Reverse tweezers. Honeybee's been doing some tools. Like I have the Honeybee like die release tool. I love this, just stays, you know, front and center. I use this all the time. I will link to it. Love. And then they've got this pair now of reverse tweezers. I love my reverse tweezers. I'm excited about this pair. It's got a wider handle, you know, and it's got some little grippies. I like. If you don't have a pair of reverse tweezers in your craft stash, highly, highly, highly recommend. These are amazing. These are heavy duty. I like a lot. And they do come with a little cover. They're not super, super sharp, but they do have a little cover. I will lose the cover. I'm not too concerned about it because they're not like crazy sharp. But yeah, love. And you can never, I always have more than one pair. Like I've mentioned to you guys with my other reverse tweezers. They always grow legs and walk away. I actually like that this has a big hole right here too. So if you have, like if you hang all your tools, oh, I'm excited. Anyway, I have to run. I got interrupted by phone calls. There's some things I need to take care of. Life. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will post links to everything in the description box below the video, and then I'll post a link to my blog post. In the blog post, I do picture links, so you can find everything, see it all a lot better. That always is the very first link directly below the video. It goes directly to my blog post, all that info. And yeah, I'll have all that for you guys. Thank you for watching, for subscribing, thumbs up and commenting. I appreciate your support more than you know, and I will be back very soon with another video.